Hello everyone, warm greetings from CSIR HRTC. Welcome to the CSIR Integrated Skill Initiative. At CSIR-National Physical Laboratory, NPL New Delhi, skill development drives scientific excellence and innovation. Under this initiative, specialized training programs are designed to strengthen both theoretical knowledge and practical expertise. Participants benefit from expert-led lectures that enhance conceptual understanding, along with intensive hands-on sessions using advanced instruments and modern laboratory techniques. Through interactive learning and mentorship, they build technical skills, build confidence, and career readiness. This initiative reflects CSIR's commitment to developing industry-ready professionals who contribute meaningfully to research, technology, and national growth. Take the next step to skill training and open doors to new opportunities with the CSIR Integrated Skill Initiative. Thank you for watching. Please like, follow, and subscribe.